1 minute ended up costing them. Around 20 years ago I got a job at a local factory which manufactured aluminium windows and doors for some very large new builds, huge skyscraper types. I started out as a general laborer but within 3 years had worked my way up to fitter/manufacturer. Then the firm invested a huge amount of money in a new CNC machine. I was selected to be one of the programmer/operators. I was sent to Germany from the UK to be taught how to run it. It was a real head scrambler to start with, but eventually I figured it out and loved the job. Once it was installed and running smoothly, the company was able to deal with much bigger contracts, so naturally took them on. In order to fulfill all the work, I had to ensure the machine worked every minute of the working day possible. My hours were 8 to 5. I would arrive at work at 7:30 and spend the next 30 minutes firing up all the computers, turning on the machine and running it through all the setup procedures and making sure it was ready to go. Then I would walk across to the main factory at 8 o'clock to clock in. However, one day I had a small issue with the machine which took a few minutes to fix, so by the time I got to the clock-in machine it was 8:04. I really didn't think anything of it until I got my payslip that week. It was 15 minutes short. So I went to see my manager. He looked at the payslip and said company policy was 3 minutes.